Now the Chipping Norton campsite is located right next door, and I really do mean right next door, to Jeremy Clarkson's Diddley Squat Farm, or should we say Diddley Squat Farm Shop. We're going to have a quick look around there now, because why wouldn't you? I know Jeremy Clarkson's a bit of a divisive figure. I've always found him to be quite funny. I enjoy his level of sarcasm, but anyway, let's have a quick look around his farm shop. And of course he's now got his own beer, Hawkstone. It's all done locally. Diddley Squat Farm. I can already see that they have a dispensing machine at the front that's offering cow juice. Yes, cow juice is available. Oh, it's nice and cool here. It's hot sausage. Yes. There you go, look. You can have a £6 10p cow juice bottle. Cotswolds edition. How hard can it be? It's quite a lot. He even has a book, Alice. I like that one. No, that one. It's just really random seeing that there and nothing else.
Yes.
What did you buy?
I bought honey, the beer, and your book.
Okay. Just to let you know, everyone, that at the time of filming, Google suggested that Diddley Squat Farm Shop was only open from Thursday to, I think it said Sunday. Today it is a Tuesday, and thankfully it is open, otherwise I'd have been mightily disappointed. Literally from the entrance to the campsite, you can see there is the bus stop to Chipping Norton. It'll be the X9 bus that we're going to be catching shortly. We'll put a link to the timetables for the X9 bus in the description below the video. Please check it out. Fancy bouncy.
Yep.
Chipping Norton, here we go. Then now follows a short history of Chipping Norton. Chipping Norton's located to the southwest of Banbury and about 18 miles northwest of Oxford. It's currently estimated that there is around 6,300 people living in this beautiful town. This is Chipping Norton's town hall. It is still used for events and is grade 2 listed. The Rolling Stones, which is basically a stone circle 2.5 miles north of Chipping Norton, reflect the prehistoric habitation of the area. The town name simply means Market North Town. Chipping Norton began as a small settlement beneath a hill where the earthworks of the Mottle and Bailey Chipping Norton Castle can still be seen. Wool in the Middle Ages made the Cotswolds one of England's wealthiest parts, and many of the medieval buildings survive in the centre of Chipping Norton still today. There is also a market that's held every Wednesday, and something called a mop fair in September. There are some notable residents that have lived in Chipping Norton, including Keith Moon, who was the drummer for The Who, Geoffrey Burbage, who was an astronomy professor, and of course Jeremy Clarkson, star of programmes such as Top Gear, The Grand Tour, and of course Clarkson's Farm. That is an extremely busy road. It's taken us 2 minutes to get across there. No. There's some lovely historic buildings in Chipping Norton, which is exactly what I was expecting to find. It's also extremely busy.
Coffee and come out, it's gone, you'll be gutted. Try chips first.
nice building here. It is.
Tea service. That's lovely.
You never know what you might find in an antique shop. Absolutely love old buildings. Of course, Chipping Norton's, it's going to have a lot of them, isn't it? Sitting on a bench at the edge of the little beautiful town of Chipping Norton in the Cotswolds. We've had a quick look at an estate agent's window, as you do, and we've realised that at least this part of the Cotswolds is a little tiny bit out of our price range, which is absolutely fine. Or not fine, because I would really love to live around here. But the prices we saw was around, was it £750,000? Yeah. Fran is currently looking at an antique tank book. It's actually going to be a present for someone in the family, but paid a little bit more money for it than I think I should have gone back in and bartered them down and had two for the same price. But anyway, it is a beautiful town, and of course the Cotswolds is known for its beauty. So I thought I'd sit here a minute and just watch the world go by. Now, unfortunately, as beautiful as the Cotswolds is, the high street, I guess as you'd call it, is a very busy street. It's got things like that going past. It kind of takes the edge off a bit of that sort of peace and tranquility that I probably lost over, but it's still a beautiful town, and it has a lot of beautiful buildings, and I do love good old English architecture. I hope you do too. And tanks. And that is a rare moment where there's actually no vehicles driving through Chipping Norton. Can you believe it?
Until.
Oh! Car. There are a lot of, unsurprisingly, coffee shops and eateries. I'm sure they're all rather splendid. All catering to different prices and palate. We were happy with the old mill, weren't we?
Oh yes,
yes. Lovely.
Hand cooked, freshly made, to demand.
Oh, it's cool in here.
Is it cool?
Adults £1.50 and accompanied children free, so which is quite decent. Air ride siren, look at that. Turn the handle. Little Morsky, isn't it, that? Splendid, that's the dock. Chipping Norton Magistrate stop. I love seeing pictures of the old cars. Yeah. Golf, 200, Volvo, 340, Astra Estate, Xantia, Micra, Maestro, BX, I love it. If you like your history, and at the end of the day it's £1.50 per adult, it's worth checking out the Chipping Norton Museum. So, gentleman in the museum was also explaining that the town hall building unfortunately needs, well, a whole lot of money spending on it, and we live in a world where a whole lot of money isn't available for such buildings, so unfortunately may not bode well for that town hall, but at the moment it still looks like a lovely building. Old building there. There are more places scattered around Chipping Norton, but they tend to be at least 2, 3, maybe 4 miles out. I'll put a list on screen now, and I'll put links to them all in the description below the video. They're not places that we'll be able to get to today, because of course we've come here on the bus and we're on foot. So a 3-4 mile walk, which ultimately will be an 8-mile walk on the return. It's just a bit much on a hot summer's day in the UK, but it might be worth checking them out. And finally, the bus stop to return to campsite is the same bus stop that we got off at, and is opposite the old mill cafe that we've eaten our lovely food at. That's it everyone for our short video of Diddley Squat Farm and the beautiful Cotswold town of Chipping Norton. I don't think Chipping Norton warrants a full day here, but it certainly would make a nice passing stop along the way. But either way, we hope you found the video informative, and if you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. That way it'll tell YouTube's algorithms it's a good video and more people should watch it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, why not subscribe to the channel? It's completely free, and a link to do just that will be above my head in a few moments. See you soon. So for the 4 of us, just to let you know, we paid £12.40, so obviously 2 adults, 2 children, but the bus only takes cash. Just to let you know everyone, at the time of filming, Google suggested that Diddley Fop... Just to let you know everyone, that...